everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a different kind of a video. I know these kind of videos have been going around on YouTube for a while and I decided to do my spin on it. So today I'm going to order the cheapest thing from Nykaa Luxe website. So if you'd like to watch the video, then without further ado, let's get started. I have the Nykaa website open here. This is their Luxe website. I haven't ever dared to come to this website just because I think everything is going to be so hella expensive that I can't even buy a single thing. But today we are going to see what's the cheapest thing on here and then order it for ourselves. So I'll definitely be recording my screen so that you guys can see everything that I go through, all the items on the website. So as you can see, this is the Nykaa Luxe website and it has a ton of things here. I see Glam Glow face masks, then Makeup Marvels. Here I see MAC, I see Bobbi Brown. Ooh, I do see Huda Beauty, OPI, Bulgari, Smashbox. So there are a ton of brands here. Oh, Elisa and Coach, that's really nice. So they do have a ton of luxe companies here, as you can see, high-end brands. But we are not here for the high-end brands, we are here for the cheapest thing available. So I'll go to the luxe option. I don't think face primers. Okay, I'll go for concealer and corrector. Let me open it in a new tab. Blush, do you think it's going to be... Let's give it a try. Let's see if blush is fine. I do need a new highlighter. Let's go for highlighter. I think BB cream and CC creams should be affordable. Makeup remover should be affordable. Eyes, eyeliner, kajal of course should be affordable. Brows, no, maybe lashes. I don't think lipstick is going to be affordable or on the lower range. However, I have high hopes for lip balm, so maybe I'll go for lip balm. Nail polish, of course. Nail care, nail polish remover, yes please. Tools and brushes. Maybe a lip brush should be affordable. Face wash, cleanser, toners. I don't think these are going to be affordables. Maybe masks can be. A single mask might be. So let's go for that. Eye cream, serum. I don't think eye creams are going to be affordable at all. Trust me. Okay. Fragrance. Why do I go for perfumes? I don't think the perfumes are definitely not going to be affordable. However, I will give it a try. Let's see. Bath, body moisturizer. Soap should be affordable. Maybe shower gels. So, okay. What else is there? Moisturizer, sun protection. I don't think that is going to be affordable at all. So I think I'm going to try whatever I've opened till now. I've opened a ton of tabs here. So let's check through them one by one and see what's the lowest price out of all the items. We are going to definitely buy that. So here we have concealer and then I am going to sort it. Here it's all products. So from popularity, from prices low to high. The Balm Time Balm Concealer Medium, it's $8.44. Not bad. I thought it'll all be above 1,000, so $8.44 is definitely not bad. Okay, so we have an $8.45 here. Let's try the next tab and see what's there. Next tab is highlighter. I'm going to, just for fun, I'm going from high to low. I want to see what is the highest rated item here. And of course, it's a Bobbi Brown Illuminator. Worth rupees 29,700. I am happy with the prices low to high. High to low is not my forte. So let's see, 1,600. I have given hopes on highlighters. So till now concealer is winning, but we shall go on. This is the best BB cream online. Okay. I see Maybelline. I don't think Maybelline is something that I would go for. I don't see any high-end ones here. I am going to close this. So we are going to move on to the next tab, and the next tab is makeup remover. So not popularity wise, low to high. I do have a cold in this hot temperature summer. This Hyderabad summer is making me catch a cold. Okay, so the lowest one is by Dermatologica Makeup 2050. Oh, and I see one with 752. So in concealer I had 844. Here I have a Forest Essentials Floral Makeup Remover for 750 rupees. So ding ding ding, we are going to close the concealer and we are going to stay with the makeup remover. So goodbye concealer. This eyeliner and kajal again. Let's see what we get here. If they show something of Bobbi Brown, I'm sure it's going to range from 2000 rupees, so I'm not too keen on that. Oh, Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color Smoky Eyes Pencil, 756 rupees. Still 6 rupees pricier than the Forest Essentials makeup removers, so unfortunately it's a no for the kajal. This is genuinely giving me vibes that I should never come to this site because everything is so pricey. No wonder they call it the Nykaa Luxe website. So this is their lip balm section. So low to high. Again, I'm not even gonna go to the perfumes or the lip section because that's going to be disgusting. Okay, Forest Essentials Luscious Lip Balm is 625 rupees, and ooh, I have 3 to choose from. So makeup remover is gone. We have a new winner, ding ding ding. That's the lip balm from Forest Essentials. Let's go to nail polish. OPI nail polishes hopefully will be lower than 635, or what was it? 625. Fingers crossed. And they are not. They start from 665, and that too by Ciate London paint pots, cookies and cream. Okay, so this is lip brush. Again, I am hoping for good things from this side. Low to high. And my hopes are crushed because it's a MAC lip brush and it's 1800, so I'm not going to even touch other brushes. Masks. Yes, this is something I think it's going to be good. I'm hoping for good. At least 390 rupees for, I'm sure I'm going to pronounce it incorrectly, L'Occitane Peony Purifying Mask. 350, 390, not bad. So lip balm, adios amigos. Soaps, okay, I hope soaps should be cheaper because I don't want to pay 500 rupees for this friggin' small bar of soap. I don't think anybody wants to pay that much. 250 rupees and I get 3 choices. This is Kama Ayurveda Heal Revitalizing Soap. Finally a ray of hope. So I was actually looking forward to the mask because I don't know, I like face masks or sheet masks these days. I've been using them quite a lot. I'll leave the link of the video in the description bar, so if you guys want to, you can go check it out. But I have to close the mask because I can't buy one. It's not the cheapest thing. We are buying a soap, guys, and I am not going to tell you right now which soap I order, but it's definitely going to be one of the soaps. So I am just going to order, wait for the order to come, and we will open the package together. So it's been almost 2 weeks after which I have received my product, and I'm really not happy because I have ordered from Nykaa before and they usually take 2 to 3 days, maximum 4 to 5 days to deliver your products if they are large in quantity. This time I ordered from their Luxe range and it took 2 weeks to reach me, which I think is ridiculous in itself. It shouldn't have taken that long. I am super disappointed about it. On top of that, they sent me this box. Their Luxe range has a different black colored box, which I've seen in a lot of videos because a lot of YouTubers order from their site. I ordered the cheapest thing from the Lux site, but that does not mean I deserve this package. Whatever I order from their Lux website, the Nykaa Luxe website. So I should have gotten the black box, which I think is very disappointing considering even though I ordered the cheapest item, it should have been treated equally. So the box is not your usual typical cardboard hard box. It's a paper sort of a box. Ooh, this is a black colored soap, like super black, just like my soul. And that's it for the video, guys. That was me ordering the cheapest thing of Nykaa. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed the video. Also, let me know if you want me to do other websites, and leave the suggestions down in the comments bar, and I would definitely do that. If you guys liked the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.